Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we are covering a song request and I will be teaching you the very popular old classic Baar Dekho from Rafi ji. So if you're excited to learn this song, take out your uke. Now once you get your uke, you have to be sure that your ukulele is in tune. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song we need 3 easy chords, and these chords are chord C, chord F and chord G. So to play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string. And chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string, and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string. And chord G will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. Now in this song, we are using a very easy strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So guys, I'm sure you already have an idea about this pattern, but in case you don't, then you can practice it by breaking it into parts. So you try with down, down, okay? Down, down would be the first part. So keep on doing down, 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 down. Then you do up, 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 and then in third part we'll be doing down, up. Okay, so then once you get comfortable with all these 3 parts, you have to merge them together. So once you merge them together, they will sound like this: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now keep on practicing it until you get comfortable with this pattern, and then you would be able to play it like this. So guys, let me quickly explain you how you will use this pattern in the song. Okay, so the song has 2 major parts, verse and chorus, and we will be starting with chorus. So in chorus part, we start with chord C. So you start singing like this: बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, कि देखने की चीज है. So up till here you have played this pattern 3 times. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Then you have to change to G and you play it once. Okay. So let me play this part for you. बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, कि देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल रुबा टाले. Now after this you have to play chord C 2 times. Tale ho, tale. Now you have to change to chord F. You played it 2 times again. Now you again go back to chord C and you play it once. So tale ho. Okay, so that's how you play the chorus part. So in verse 1 and verse 2, we'll be playing this pattern 2 times per chord. Okay, so we'll be starting with chord C again and we'll play this pattern like this. हाँ जी हाँ, और भी होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, लाखों दिलों की बहार यहाँ, पर ये बात कहाँ है. Now you have to again repeat the same thing. हाँ जी हाँ, और भी होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, लाखों दिलों की बहार यहाँ, पर ये बात कहाँ. Now afterwards you will be playing single downstrokes and that's how you will end this part. So you'll do it like this. ये बेमिसाल हुस्न लाजवाब ये अदा. Okay, so we end it on chord F. Now after that we'll repeat the chorus part again. Tale ho, tale ho. So guys, I will be using a capo and placing it on second fret. Now in case you sing on a higher scale than me or lower scale than me, then you can adjust this capo up or down as per your requirement, and you can use the same chords what we are using in this lesson. So now let's start playing the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारे दिल टाले ओ, टाले ओ, टाले ओ। बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारे दिल टाले ओ, टाले ओ, टाले ओ। हाँ जी हाँ, और भी होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, लाखों दिलों की बहार यहाँ, पर ये बात कहाँ है। हाँ जी हाँ, और भी होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, लाखों दिलों की बहार यहाँ, पर ये बात कहाँ। ये बेमिसाल हुस्न लाजवाब ये अदा डाले ओ, डाले ओ, डाले ओ। बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, कि देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल टाले ओ, डाले ओ, डाले ओ। So guys, that was it. I'm sure you must have liked this lesson. Please subscribe to ukeguide and make sure you hit the bell icon. And if you have a song request, then do connect me on Instagram. So until next time, do take care and bye-bye.